I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Monday, September 26th was the unofficial first day of fall this year. Morning lows on Monday fell below 40 in the Panhandle. Kenton and Eva recorded morning lows of 37 degrees. Most of the state had lows in the mid-50s, the green areas. Highs on Monday afternoon ranged from 72 degrees at Jay in the northeast to 80 degrees at Hooker, Lane, and Weber Falls. That's a tight statewide temperature range. It was a beautiful, mild day everywhere across the state. Tuesday morning didn't have any lows below 42 degrees, but morning lows in the 40s made it a cool morning across most of the state on Tuesday, the blue areas. It looks like the 100-degree or higher temperatures are behind us. This year, 2016, Hollis had the most 100-plus days, 26. That's way below the state record of 101 days at or above 100 degrees, set in 2011 at Granfield. Enjoy the fall weather. It's a great season to be outdoors. Here's Gary with a check on wetter and drier areas in the state.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. I certainly hope you enjoyed our burst of fall we've had recently and the good rains. Unfortunately, not everybody got as much rain as others, and drought is still encamped across parts of eastern Oklahoma. Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map and see what we have. So as you can see, much of the eastern, really 1/3 to 1/2 of the state, still in either abnormally dry conditions to moderate to severe drought. Not a lot of severe drought, but it's certainly looking like that's going to continue to spread unless we get some rainfall in that area. The moderate drought has gone all the way from the Red River up to north of Tulsa and then east over to Arkansas. So moderate and severe drought is on the increase across eastern Oklahoma, with relief across western Oklahoma where those good rains fell. Now let me show you why that drought is over there. If we look at the percentage of normal rainfall map, we see at 30 days about 20 to 80% of normal across much of the eastern third of Oklahoma. And for the 120-day map, we see long-term deficits of 40 to 80% of normal across, again, much of eastern Oklahoma. And that's significant when you talk about that long of a time frame, 120 days, really back to the middle of the springtime or at least late into the spring. Now, we're not without hope. If we look at the 8 to 14-day outlook, this is for October 5th through the 11th, we do see increased odds of above normal precipitation across much of Oklahoma, and that would certainly help. So more rain would help, but unfortunately we need it in specific spots, to be exact, across the eastern third of Oklahoma. So more rain's good. Where it's at, that's a little bit iffy. We'll have to wait and see where the forecast shapes up. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.